Hello and welcome to the Pro Forma Models live financial modeling session where we will build a basic debt amortization schedule. Let's start by laying out our assumption inputs, beginning with the opening debt balance. Let's use $1 million as our opening loan balance for this analysis. Next, we need our interest rate for the loan. Let's use a 5% fixed rate for this example. The next input we need is the amortization period for the loan. Let's use 30 years for this analysis. The last input we need is number of payments made per year. The most common is monthly payments. Let's enter 12 to reflect a monthly payment schedule. To assist with the amortization schedule calculations, let's calculate the product of amortization period and payments per year to calculate the total number of payments through the loan term. We are now ready to calculate our monthly amortization schedule. Let's start by organizing the columns of our schedule. The columns for our schedule will be month, year, opening balance, payment, principal, interest, and ending balance. Enter 1 as a hard-coded value for the first month. Each subsequent month will be a formula of 1 plus the preceding cell. Let's utilize a dynamic formula for the year. The formula is a round up of the month divided by 12. This formula will return the year number based on the month. Let's utilize the Excel payment function to calculate the periodic payment. The first input is the interest rate, which needs to be divided by 12 to get a monthly rate. The second input is the total number of payments through the loan term. The final input is the starting opening loan amount. We will utilize the Excel principal formula. The first input is the interest rate divided by 12. The second input is the month number followed by the total number of payments. The final input is equal to the starting opening balance. We will utilize the Excel interest formula. The first input is the interest rate divided by 12. The second input is the month number followed by the total number of payments. The final input is equal to the starting opening balance. The ending balance is equal to the periodic opening balance less the periodic principal payment. The subsequent period opening balance is equal to the preceding ending balance. Payment to ending balance can be pasted into month 2. We like to implement checks in our models. Let's check the principal payment is correct by ensuring payment less principal and interest is equal to 0. Month 2 can be pasted down until we get to 360 months, which is equal to 30 years. You will know that the debt amortization schedule has been built correctly if your final period ending loan balance is $0. Amortization is paying off debt over time in equal installments. Part of each payment goes to principal and part goes to interest. As the loan amortizes, the amount of the payment going towards principal starts out small while the interest component starts out large. As the loan gets further into its amortization, a larger proportion of the payment will go to principal and less to interest, ultimately resulting in the loan being paid off by the end of the term. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this Pro Forma Models walkthrough and encourage you to visit our website to try the model for yourself.